Hey everyone, I'm Terry from Euromarc, and today we're here at Southern Lakes Engineering in Cromwell to give you a look at what they do and how QUICKSTOCK has become a key part of their workshop operations. Southern Lakes Engineering was started in 2015 by Leroy and Paul. Based here in Cromwell, they service all of Central Otago, including Queenstown and Wanaka, and have built a solid reputation for quality manufacturing, installation and general engineering work. They specialise in industrial, structural and architectural steelwork, backed by a skilled and passionate team. In mid-2020, they expanded into a new workshop on Venning Crescent to support their growing team and new machinery, making them a true one-stop shop for all engineering in the region. Before QUICKSTOCK, Leroy was spending a lot of time ordering and managing consumables himself. He was bulk ordering through multiple suppliers to get the best pricing. But that didn't stop last-minute orders or urgent trips to the store when stock had run low and no one had communicated it. As the business grew, Leroy needed to focus on managing projects and his team, not stock. He'd been using Euromarc for years and trusted us to deliver. So when Euromarc introduced QUICKSTOCK with the same products and pricing but fully managed stock replenishment, it was a no-brainer. QUICKSTOCK has fit seamlessly into the Southern Lakes workshop. They started with just 2 units, but have since expanded to 4 as they've added more product categories. Now, the system supplies everything from abrasives and welding wire to sprays, safety gear and general consumables like rags, all right where the team needs them.
Hi, I'm Emma, the local QSE for Central Otago. I visit the team here once a month to tidy and restock their QUICKSTOCK units. After greeting the team in the office, I head into the workshop, restock the units, do a count of stock levels and note what needs to arrive next month. Before I leave, I'll check in with Leroy to make sure everything's working well and pass on any requests or updates to the team.
The team at Southern Lakes have really embraced the QUICKSTOCK system. They love having access to what they need, when they need it, and for Leroy, it's taken a huge load off his shoulders. In fact, over the last 12 months, we estimate it saved him just over 120 hours in not having to manage consumables and place orders himself. Thanks to the team at Southern Lakes Engineering for letting us share their story. It's been great to see how QUICKSTOCK has supported their operations as they've grown and made life a whole lot easier in the process.